package is a directory, package is a folder. In that directory contains classes, interfaces and subpackages also. So package is nothing but a directory means, so all of you know folders. So folders are created in our desktop, right? Desktop is folders create cheskuntamga. So that folder contains files or subfolders. Then a CSM folder undanukondi. So in that CSM folder again subfolder is a CSMA, subfolder CSEB and files. Like okay. So Java package is also a directory or folder. So in this directory having classes, interfaces and subpackages also. Clear? So class is nothing but, by using class keyword we have to create a class. Every class having class members. Class members are nothing but variables and methods. And interface is nothing but is also look like a class, but this class having only abstract methods. Clear? So class contains variables and methods. And then interface having abstract methods. Abstract methods means incomplete methods. Incomplete methods means what? Method declaration only. There is no body along with its method. Clear? So implementation, definition, body, code, whatever it may be. Clear? So for example, class is a keyword for creating a classes, and here we should write CSM is as a class name, and class definition, class implementation, class body. Clear? Whatever it may be. So this definition contains class members, right? Class members. Class members are nothing but variables and methods. So variables and methods together we call class members. Member variables, methods. Okay? Clear? So method, let us take a small method. Void is a return type and add is a method name and parenthesis, method parenthesis. Clear? And method definition, method code, method implementation, whatever it is called. That means method along with its body is called complete method. Is called complete method. Okay, so class having variables and complete methods. Clear? Packages contains classes. And second one, package also having interface. Also having interface. Interface means is also a class. So instead of class we use the keyword interface. So keyword means all the letters in that word or small letters, right? So interface is a keyword, and here we should write interface name. So for example, interface name is CAI, and this interface having code or definition. Clear? CAI definition. Clear? So this interface having abstract methods. Abstract methods means incomplete methods. Void is a return type, add is a method name and symbols and with semicolon. There is no definition of add method. There is no body of add method. Clear? So incomplete methods. Complete methods. Method with along with its body is called complete methods, right? So method declaration only. Whenever we use a semicolon, then that is a declaration. Int A is a variable declaration. So void add is a method and with semicolon, method declarations. So abstract methods means method declarations only. There is no implementation details of methods. Clear? Understood? Clear? So that means abstraction means hiding implementation details. Hiding implementation details. Hiding possible. Details. Hiding implementation details. For example, whenever we want to communicate with our friends, we send messages, right? Messages send చేస్తాం లేదా through WhatsApp or normal messages. So message send చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, we receive only the functionality. Hi, what are you doing? Are you coming to college? సో ఈ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ మాత్రమే రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం, అంతేనా? అంతేగాని మెసేజ్ పంపడానికి వెనక ఏదైతే ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ జరుగుతుందో, ఏదైతే కోడ్ రన్ అవుతుందో అదంతా కూడా మనకు కనిపిస్తుందా? సో ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆర్ హైడెడ్. క్లియర్? సో అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ రిఫర్స్ ఓన్లీ ద ఫంక్షనాలిటీ, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ the functionality without knowing the background details, without knowing the implementation details. Clear? Abstraction is the one feature of OOPS concepts. So there are 8 concepts, very important: class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding. Clear? Message passing. These are 8 are the main concepts of OOPS. Every concept have a special meaning or special powers. Okay? Encapsulation, providing security. Abstraction, hiding implementation data. Inheritance, code reusability. సో ఆ కోడ్ని మళ్ళీ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేకుండా ఒకసారి రాస్తాము, ఆ కోడ్ని ప్రతి క్లాస్లోకి మనం ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. కోడ్ రీయూజబిలిటీ, మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ రాసేటప్పుడు కూడా డెఫినేషన్ రాసి ప్రతి కాన్సెప్ట్లో ఉన్న థీమ్ రాయాలి. పేపర్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ అంటారు దాన్ని. క్లియర్? సో డెఫినేషన్ రాయాలి, ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటో రాయాలి, అందులో మనం ఏది అచీవ్ చేస్తున్నాం, కోడ్ రీయూజబిలిటీ. క్లియర్? సో అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్, ద మెయిన్ థీమ్ ఆఫ్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్ హైడింగ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ డేటా, హైడింగ్ అన్నెసరీ డేటా కదా. ఒక మెసేజ్ మనం రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఆ మెసేజ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ తెలిస్తే సరిపోతుంది, అంతేగాని వెనక ప్రాసెస్ అంతా అనేది మనకి అన్నెసరీనేగా. సో అన్నెసరీ డేటా అంతా హైడ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్ హైడింగ్ ద ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్, మెథడ్ డిక్లరేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ. క్లియర్? సో ప్యాకేజ్ ఈజ్ ఏ డైరెక్టరీ. ఇన్ ద డైరెక్టరీ వీ హ్యావ్ క్లాసెస్ and interfaces and sub packages also. Clear? So here Java is the main directory. So this overall directory name is Java. In this Java we have a sub packages. So this sub package name is AWT, Applet Window Toolkit. In this sub package also having a sub package, that is event. So this is a sub package, so lang package, and this is a IO package. Okay, so the main package is a Java. So Java is a directory, is nothing but a package. Package also having sub packages. Clear? And also classes and also interfaces. Clear? So we want to invoke these packages or classes, then we use the statement import. We use the statement import. We use the statement import. Clear? So import, the main directory name is Java. So import java dot star. Star means all the packages or classes or interfaces present in the Java package. So import Java. Java is a package name, right? Star dot star semicolon. Star means event package, AWT package, lang package, IO package, all the contents of Java package. Okay, so when we want to only lang package, then we write the statement import java dot lang package. Clear? Okay, and util package is also there, and import. So util package ఎందులో ఉంది, జావాలో ఉంది కాదు.